Hi everyone, in this video we will see assembly of these convertible car components, and its motion study. In one of the previous videos, we can check the complete design of this convertible car. The link is provided in the description. Let's mate these components one by one. First, we will mate the link with the car. Please note, the car is a fixed component here. Now, we will mate the back extension with the car. Then, mating the back with the roof. We visualize the 4-bar link mechanism now. Now, mating the flaps in the rear. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for upcoming fun videos. Let's go to the motion study. First, we will create motion of the rear flap opening. Dragging the time bar, up to the duration till which we want the motion. Then, moving the rear flap, to define its end position. After freezing the position, click on time bar in front of the component, and right-click to place the key. The motion is generated. Instead of manually placing the key, we have an option for auto key creation. We will enable it, and then drag the rear flap to its end position. We see the key getting automatically placed. Now, we want the positions of convertible roof components to be as it is at time 2 second, so we will place keys for these components here. By doing this, we make sure that motion of these components will start from 2 seconds, or else the motion for these components will start from time 0 second. Again we will drag the time bar, to define the duration of this motion. Dragging any component of mechanism to define the end position. Due to the defined mates, all of the mechanism components will move together. As we see, the roof interferes with the front flap, as it is closed. We will now see at which time instant we want to open the front flap. We will initiate the motion of front flap at this position. Placing the key, so as to define this as the initial position. Now, dragging the time bar at the instance when the flap motion will be complete. We will drag the slider to its end position. Here, the motion is little complex. The slider will move down and simultaneous load the front flap attached to it will open. We will calculate the motion of slider. Now, at this time bar placing a key for front flap. To define the final position of front flap as well. Calculating the motion. Now, defining the next set of motions, to close the flaps. Placing the keys to define the initial positions. Dragging the time bar, to define the time in which the flaps will close again. Now closing the flaps to its final position. Temporarily fixing the slider. Calculating the final motion now. Let's check the motion now. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for upcoming fun videos. Thank you.